A new era begins today for enterprise productivity. OpenAI's GPT-5.6 model is now live in Microsoft 365 Copilot, setting a new standard for intelligent work. This isn't just another upgrade, it's a breakthrough in AI-powered reasoning, precision, and efficiency. Imagine drafting complex documents in Word, analyzing intricate datasets in Excel, designing dynamic presentations in PowerPoint, or collaborating seamlessly across teams. Now, Copilot leverages GPT-5.6, a frontier model optimized for multi-step problem-solving. Tasks that once demanded hours of manual effort can now be completed in minutes, thanks to advanced reasoning and contextual understanding. Microsoft and OpenAI have joined forces to fine-tune GPT-5.6 specifically for knowledge work within Microsoft 365 Suite. Whether Copilot selects GPT-5.6 automatically, or you choose it from the model selector, you're accessing the power of frontier AI whenever your workflow demands it. Integration through native APIs and direct connections ensures that enterprise professionals always have access to the most advanced capabilities available. What does this mean for your team? Faster reports, smarter insights, effortless communication. GPT-5.6 enables Copilot to tackle complex, multi-step processes, from synthesizing research to automating repetitive tasks, all within a familiar workspace. This synergy empowers business leaders, IT decision-makers, and professionals to focus on what matters most: innovation and impact. Enterprise users now have a trusted AI partner, one that adapts to their needs and unlocks new levels of productivity. Embrace GPT-5.6 in Microsoft 365 Copilot, because your next breakthrough is only a prompt away.